I still remember the heartbreak of ruining a $60 brisket on my first cheap smoker. The fire died, the meat turned to leather, and we ordered pizza. Well, finding a charcoal grill that actually smokes well without babysitting it for 12 hours is incredibly frustrating. Most combos fail miserably at doing both. So I spent months testing the top contenders. Let me explain exactly which ones are worth your money and why my #1 pick completely changed how I cook. 6. Masterbuilt Gravity Series 1050 Smoker Grill. I mean, on paper, this thing sounds like an absolute dream. You load a massive hopper with charcoal, set a digital temperature, and let a fan do all the heavy lifting. It is supposed to give you the authentic flavor of charcoal with the hands-off convenience of a pellet grill. And honestly, when it works properly, the results are fantastic. I have pulled some deeply smoky, incredibly tender ribs off this rig. The build quality just does not inspire a lot of confidence. After a few dozen cooks, you start noticing the thin metal and the flimsy feeling of the doors. It feels a bit like they poured all the research into the gravity tech and had to cut corners on the actual chassis. You know, when you're dealing with live fire, you want something that feels like a tank, not a tin can. The gravity feed system itself is genuinely clever. You can get up to 1,050 square inches of cooking space going, and it reaches 700 degrees in about 15 minutes. That is seriously impressive for searing thick steaks. You get this massive area to work with, which is great if you're feeding the whole neighborhood on a weekend. But let me explain the tech side of things. The app connectivity can be incredibly frustrating. I've had it drop connection right in the middle of an overnight pork butt cook. 5. Nexgrill Oakford 1150 Reverse Flow. Now, if you want that classic backyard pitmaster look, this offset smoker definitely looks the part. It has that heavy-duty aesthetic and the reverse flow design, which is supposed to even out the temperature across the main cooking chamber. And to be fair, I did get some decent bark on my briskets using this traditional setup. However, let us talk about the reality of keeping the heat where it belongs. Right out of the box, this thing leaks smoke like a sieve. You know, you fire it up and suddenly smoke is billowing out of the door gaps instead of going out the main stack. It meant I was burning through charcoal and wood splits way faster than I should have been just to maintain 250 degrees. The cooking space is massive, giving you about 1,150 square inches of room. You can easily fit a few packer briskets or a whole fleet of pork shoulders. For large gatherings, it has the real estate you need to feed a massive crowd. And the front shelf is a nice touch for prepping your foil boats or wrapping meat without leaving the grill. But then you have to deal with the temperature management. Because of the thin metal construction, any slight breeze completely throws off your internal temps. I mean, I found myself constantly fighting the dampers and feeding the firebox just to keep things stable. It is a very hands-on experience, and not always in a good way when you're trying to relax. 4. Char Griller Akorn Kamado. This is where things start getting genuinely exciting. Kamado grills are legendary for holding heat, but ceramic ones weigh a ton and cost an absolute fortune. The Akorn completely flips that script by using triple-walled insulated steel. It is surprisingly lightweight, which means I can actually move it around the patio without throwing out my back. The fuel efficiency on this grill is absolutely mind-blowing. I mean, I loaded it with a single chimney of lumped charcoal, and it held a steady 225 degrees for over 12 hours. You just set the top and bottom dampers, and it locks in tight. It is incredibly forgiving for long, slow cooks, making it perfect for someone who wants Kamado performance without the ceramic price tag. When it comes to searing, the Akorn is an absolute beast. You open up those vents and it easily rockets past 600 degrees in no time. I threw some thick ribeyes on the heavy cast iron grates, and the crust it developed was pure steakhouse quality. The heat retention is so good that you get a beautifully even sear across the entire cooking surface. Now, it's not completely perfect. The ash pan mechanism can be a little clunky to remove and reattach, and you have to be careful not to let the temperature get too high. Because it's so well insulated, if you overshoot your target temp, it takes forever to cool back down. 3. Kamado Joe Classic II. Listen, the moment you unbox this bright red behemoth, you realize you are dealing with absolute premium craftsmanship. The incredibly thick ceramic walls retain heat and moisture better than almost anything else on the market. Every time I smoke a pork butt on this, the meat comes out impossibly juicy and tender. Let me explain what really sets this apart from other Kamados. It is the airlift hinge. Usually, lifting a massive ceramic dome feels like a heavy workout, but Kamado Joe engineered this brilliant counterbalanced hinge that makes the heavy lid feel completely weightless. You can literally lift it with one finger. It sounds like a small detail, but when you are checking on food all day, it is an absolute game changer. Then there's the divide and conquer flexible cooking system. Instead of one flat grate, you get a multi-level half-rack design. I was able to sear chicken thighs low to the coals on one side while gently roasting vegetables higher up on the other side. It completely eliminates the need for a second grill because you can set up distinct temperature zones simultaneously. Then there's the control tower top vent. Unlike old cast iron daisy wheels that lose their setting when you open the lid, this aluminum vent stays exactly where you put it. It makes dialing in your temperatures incredibly precise. I mean, it holds 250 degrees so perfectly, it actually feels like you're cheating. 2. Weber Smoky Mountain Cooker. You know, in the barbecue world, this black bullet smoker is practically royalty, and after running dozens of overnight cooks on it, I completely understand why. It does not have Wi-Fi, it does not have an app, and it does not need them. It is pure, reliable, analog perfection. The beauty of the Smoky Mountain is its rock-solid consistency. The massive water pan design creates this incredibly moist cooking environment while naturally stabilizing the internal temperature. I set up the charcoal bowl, tossed on some heavy hickory chunks, and went to sleep. I woke up 8 hours later, and the temperature had not moved a single degree. You get 2 levels of heavy-duty cooking grates, which gives you a surprising amount of capacity for its relatively small footprint. I have easily fit 4 racks of ribs and 2 massive pork shoulders in the 18-inch model at the exact same time. It is the perfect size for a family barbecue, and the porcelain enameled steel is practically indestructible. I have left mine out in the pouring rain, and it still looks absolutely brand new. Let us talk about the flavor profile. Because of the way the smoke rolls up through the water vapor and naturally cascades across the meat, the bark and smoke ring you get on this cooker are absolutely world-class. Many professional competition barbecue teams still use these exact cookers to win thousands of dollars. Oklahoma Joe's Bronco Pro Drum Smoker. I have cooked on almost everything under the sun, but this heavy drum smoker completely blew me away. It looks like a heavy-duty oil barrel, and it cooks like an absolute champion. The heavy-gauge steel construction locks in heat so efficiently that it makes long overnight cooks incredibly easy and stress-free. Here's what matters most. The unique airflow control system is absolute perfection. The intake and exhaust pipes are oversized and incredibly responsive to tiny adjustments. When I wanted to hold 275 degrees for a massive brisket, it dialed in instantly and stayed there perfectly. But when I wanted to open it up to grill up some thick burgers, it easily got hot enough to put a serious crust on the meat. It truly excels at both smoking and hot grilling. The secret weapon of the Bronco Pro is the meat hanging system. You know, when you hang ribs vertically directly over the hot coals, the meat juices drip down, hit the roaring fire, and vaporize right back up into the meat. The flavor profile is unbelievably rich and complex. I hung 9 heavy racks of ribs in this thing at once, and every single one came out perfectly glazed, deeply smoked, and incredibly tender. The oversized charcoal basket is another massive advantage for this unit. It holds enough heavy lump fuel for a 15-hour cook without ever needing a refill. You just load it up, light it, and walk away for the entire day. That's all for today, folks.